Alright, today we will be working on our favorite semi-aquatic mammal, the platypus. Alright, so it's quite simple. We've got the feet, which are all 2D. We've got the body, the tail, the head, and the little duck bill. Alright, so to make it, we need the layout. Alright, it's got all the pieces. So, first thing we're gonna do is cut it out along the black line. Right there. Make sure you get it as neat as possible for best results. Alright? I'll see you once that's done. Alright, now we have got our cutting step done. We are now going to move on to folding. Alright, so I'm going to be using the tail for this part. So you're going to want to put it like this, in this position. There's this tab right here. Fold that down so that it looks like this. Right? Then you're going to sort of want to fold it out. It's sort of like a 90-degree angle. Doesn't have to be exact. You're not going to see it at all. Alright, you're going to fold this down. This down. And this down. These top three right here, fold those down. Then this top flap right here, sort of the same color as my table right here. Fold that down as well. That'll be the end, the very end of the tail. Then we're going to flip it over and do the same. So we're going to get the tab, big tab, and then the two smaller tabs. Make sure you get them as neat of a fold as possible, because the folding step is one of the most important parts. Alright, now you're going to want to fold along these lines here so that we can form the outside shape. This one is one of the more important folds, and it will be seen. Alright, now to make sure you got everything folded, you're going to want to sort of like, oh, I didn't get this one here folded. Alright, you're going to need to fold that down as well, if you didn't know already. And to make sure you got everything folded, sort of position it into the full shape, minus the glue. Alright, should look like this. Now you're going to do that for all of these, except for the feet and legs and stuff. These, you're going to take the crease here and fold it, and then that step is done. It's really simple. Alright, so repeat all that for these, and I'll come back for gluing. Alright, now we have folded all of our pieces, and we are going to move on to the gluing step. I will use this one to as an example. Do it for all of these, and I'll show you how to glue the feet. Oh, it looks like I missed a tab in my folding step. That's not good. You never get to miss a tab and still have a good looking Papercraft. Alright, so first thing we're going to want to do, put it like this. We're going to want to take this tab, get our glue, and we're going to want to put some glue on the tab. Alright, now that we've got some glue, we're going to want to fold it over so it connects with the other side. Okay, so now we've got it connected there. And now we're going to connect this side, or this side, whichever one is facing up. We're going to want to fold these 3 tabs down so they sort of fold like a table. Put some glue on them. Then we're going to fold this down. The tabs are going to support it, keep it held up, and it should stay nice and flat. Now we're going to move into the other side. Now that we've got this side supported, we can go in, and this side's going to be easier. Alright, we're going to put some glue on there, just like we just did. Fold it over, and it should be good. Now, since we don't have as much capabilities for like molding it and shaping the body down here, and just take our scissors and snip this white part off. Alright, now it should have quite a good cube, or box, holds up pretty good. Now we're going to move on to the feet. All we gotta do, put glue on, fold this over, so you've got it on both sides. And we're going to adjust it so that the least amount of white is showing on both sides. And we're going to want to cut the white part out that we don't want. Alright, now we've got our full foot done. This is the front foot, but it should be the same for the back feet, and the other front foot, and the other back foot. Now we're going to want to repeat what we just learned on these for all of these. Alright, and we're going to come back for assembly. Alright, we have got all of our pieces completely put together, nice 3D, stiff and solid. So now what we're going to want to do is start with the assembly. So first get out the body and the head. Then where it says A right there, going to want to attach those together, just like that. Alright, so you're going to want to do that, putting glue on this. Slap the A right down on there so they match as best as you can. You want to try to not be able to see any evidence of the spot where the A was. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing right here where it says B. Alright. I want to take our little duck bill and put it on right there. It's one of the things that's like one of the key things that make a platypus. The bill. Like you could just see this and you'd probably think platypus. Alright, now we're going to do for C. Put some glue on there. Take this here. And we're going to, that lighter pixel right there is going to be on this side. So it should look like this from below and like this from above. Alright, once you've got that on firm, you're going to want to take the legs And you're gonna want to sort out the front legs and the back legs. This is a front leg. Goes up in the front. And these are back legs. Alright, so now we're gonna get our back legs and gonna wanna place them sort of like this. So get out your glue, put some glue on there. Maybe I feel like this looks best, but it's totally your decision how that goes on. Whatever looks best is usually what should be done. Gonna get our other one. Right. Glue on there. Alright. Gonna get our feet. Right, these ones are perfectly symmetrical, so yeah. See how it looks from up top? Try to adjust it, make it symmetrical. And I think that looks good. So, alright, we've got our platypus done. Try waiting for the glue to dry before playing with the bill or any other part. And I hope you like making platypus, and I will see you in the next tutorial.